and appreciation for each leader. As our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Lim mentioned in his speech that evening, those attending the dinner are individuals who truly understand the value of charity, and this is what has brought them together for this grand celebration.
The company has always been people-oriented, ensuring that everything we do is for good and success. Let's give another round of applause to Team Supreme leaders in attendance, and we look forward to seeing you on to the next event.
And next, we will be recognizing our Team Supreme Pegasus 2. It is their unwavering belief in themselves that has brought them this far. Step by step, they will continue striving toward an even brighter future.
Their success is no coincidence. It is the result of relentless effort and perseverance day in and day out. Now let us witness the recognition of our Team Supreme Pegasus 2. Supreme Pegasus Team Jude Lawrence and Atienza to share some words with us.
No great achievement is done by a single person. It is always done by a great team. Which is the reason why this Team Supreme Pegasus 2 is not my award. This award is my family's and my team's award. So, Team Jude, congratulations! We achieved Team Supreme Pegasus 2. And for this reason, I will be mostly using the word we instead of I, because I consider this award as our team's award. So, I just came back from Europe 2 days ago, but here is the question. For the past 6 months, we spent 85 days in Europe. But how come we are still one of the top leaders here in Reway Philippines? This is where you can see how great Reway platform is, because we have proven that passive income is indeed possible here in Reway. Despite spending 50% of my time in Europe, my Philippines team still continues to grow, despite of me not being here. So this is the wonders and the beauty of Reway platform and Reway system. This is where I can see that passive income is indeed possible. But the question is, was I in Europe just to enjoy and relax? No, Reway is the only business you can do with pleasure. Here in Reway, all we do is travel, eat, sleep, and talk. Those are the 4 things that we do here in Reway. Imagine how great life that is. So, if here in Reway Philippines, how can we be world #1? For me and my team, we have committed to build a big team in Reway Europe. And we did this by availing a golden visa in Spain. This will allow us to stay in Europe as long as we want, and in return, this will allow us to build a big team in Europe as well. To my fellow Reway Philippine leaders, especially those who already has a solid team here in the Philippines. I encourage you to share the vision with me. Remember, Spain conquered the Philippines for hundreds of years. Imagine how great it would be if us Filipinos would be the uplines of Freeway Europe. If us Filipinos can become the people the Europeans will look up to in Europe. So, not just for my team, but Freeway Philippines as a whole, hopefully we can conquer Europe. Wouldn't it be great that Filipinos will conquer Freeway Europe? And for this, I really would like to thank, and we would really like to thank Freeway for this great opportunity. And congratulations to everyone.
Let us have now one all-men's recognition.
Congratulations to our Team Supreme Pegasus 2, Jude Lawrence and Atienza.